So I'm out this morning taking a walk, trying to get a little bit of exercise. I don't have Owen and Maggie with me. Maggie makes it a little hard, even though I really hate not bringing her to get exercise because she wants to stop all the time. So that is one thing that I struggle with while we're traveling. I struggle with having a routine of getting regular exercise on a daily basis. We do a lot of walking and, taking Maggie for walks and stuff, but it's not the same as, walking, fast enough to get your heart rate up. We are lucky in the sense that we do both like outdoor activities. So the places that we look for to go, have to include hiking or a place to bike or, boating or whatever those activities are. And I do feel like when we do that I don't have to get as much exercise. But on the days that, we can't do that, I do feel like I need to get out and get my heart rate up and get a little bit of exercise. And I miss it a lot when I'm not able to do that. I think one important aspect of, figuring out a routine is communication with your partner, your traveling partner, and letting them know that, that's something that you want to be able to accomplish while you're traveling. Or, just do it on a daily basis and just say, hey, tomorrow I want to get a workout in, or I want to be able to, walk 5 miles or whatever you want to do. On the other side of the park, the campground's on the other side. You can see our Echo on the other side. Here we are on the other side of the lake. We don't always show the things we do behind the scenes, but we do both feel that getting exercise and stretching, especially with Owen's back, now it's important to stretch, and it's important to take care of our backs. Like so many of our subscribers have commented that, we only get one back and we better take care of it now because we're going to have to live with it the rest of our lives. So it is important to keep exercising and to keep healthy and to even eat healthy. So let's talk about eating. Eating is another thing we struggle with while we're on the road, or eating well. We like to eat out, and, Owen loves to cook, and it's all about food for him. So what we normally try to do when we're traveling is we'll have one big meal a day. We're not really big breakfast eaters, so a lot of times, we'll eat or cook a breakfast for lunch like we're going to do today, and that'll be our big meal for the day. And then we'll just have a sandwich or a quick snack before we go, before we settle in at night. I try not to eat after 7, and we always try to take Maggie for her last walk after we've eaten, so we just don't go in and sit down. Granted, we could do a whole lot better, and we do work on it, but we've got a long way to go. So I'm back at the van. Let's go see if Owen's ready to cook up some lunch.